Very, very good morning, students. Now we are going to see the next topic, that is polling and counting of votes. The final stage of an election is the day when the voters cast or poll their votes. Please underline the last day that we are polling or we are casting our votes. That day is usually called election. Please underline which day is the election day, which day we are casting our vote. Every person whose name is on the voters list can go to the nearby polling booth. Please underline polling booth, situated usually in the local school or a government office. Once the voter goes inside the booth, the election official identify her. Please underline what is happening in the booth. Put a mark on her finger and allow her to cast her vote. So there are 3-4 procedures are there. Election officials, they will identify that person's name with that number and other things. Then after identifying the person, they will put a ink mark in the finger and with our nail. Then they are allowing us to cast our vote. An agent of each candidate is allowed to sit inside the polling booth. When we are going the row, the officials, they are sitting in the front line and they are checking our names and they are putting this ink and they are helping us to cast our vote. And back of them we can see some of the people, they are sitting with some papers that the agents of the each candidate, they are sitting there and to ensure that voting is taking place in a fair way, or the all people, they are coming and casting their vote. Then next, are the elections too expensive for our country? A large amount of money is spent in conducting election in India. For instance, the government spent rupees 3,500 crores in conducting Lok Sabha election into 2014. Then last year 2019 we conducted again. That time it may increase to 4,500 crores. The workout to about rupees 40 per person on the voters list. Making the voters list itself, for each person they spend 40 rupees. The amount spent by parties and candidates was more than what the government spent, and each and every party together in every state, they spent more than this what the government spent for the election. Roughly speaking, the expense made by government, parties and candidates was found rupees 30,000 crore to or rupees 500 per voters, 500 rupees per voters, like that much expense it is there for making an election. Some people say that elections are a burden on our people, that our poor country cannot afford to hold election once every 5 years. Let us compare this expenditure with some other figures. 2005, our government decided to buy 6 nuclear submarines from France. Each submarine cost was rupees 30,000 crore, and like that, how many we purchased? 6 nuclear submarines. Delhi hosted an Commonwealth Games in 2010. The estimate for it cost is around 20,000 crores. Means when we are comparing with that one, election, that is selecting our own representative and making our own government, for that purpose we are spending altogether 30,000 crore. Can we say that is that much bigger one, like that? Then election result of Gulbarga, that is given in 2014, that you can read afterwards. Then earlier the voters used to indicate whom they wanted to vote for by putting a stamp on the ballot paper. Before EVM machines came, that time it was ballot paper was there, and they will give ballot paper as well as one seal, and we can put seal on which emblem or to which person we want to give vote according to that. A ballot paper is a sheet of paper on which the name of the contesting candidates along with the party name and symbol are listed. Please underline what is a ballot paper. Please underline clearly. A ballot paper is a sheet of paper on which the names of the contesting candidates along with the party name and symbols are listed. Nowadays, electronic voting machines, please underline full form, it may ask like that in one word. Electronic voting machine means EVM are used to record vote. So in olden days we was using ballot paper or paper system, and now we are using the electronic machines. Then the machine shows the name of the candidate and the party symbols. What are things we can see in the EVM machine? Name of the candidate and the party symbol. Independent candidates to have their own symbols allotted by election commission. Then all that the voters has to do is to press the button against the name of the candidate she wanted to give her vote. Please underline in EVM machine how we are doing our election. The person's name in one side symbols will be there. So to whom we want to give that vote, we can press on the symbol, in that there will be one button. Once the polling is over, all the EVMs are sealed and taken to secure place. A few days later, on the fixed date, all the EVMs from constituency are opened and votes secured by each candidates are counted. The agents of the candidates are present there to ensure that the counting is done properly. In the polling booth also agents will be there, and the counting place also agents will be there. For what? To make sure that the voting is going properly. And the candidates who secure the highest number of votes from the constituency is declared elected. If 5 persons are there, in that one person who is getting the maximum vote, that person is the elected representative of that area. In general election, usually the counting of votes in all constituencies takes place at the same time on the same day. The counting stations may be different, but the counting will be in the same day and same time. Television channels, radios, newspaper reports is this event. They will come, they are permitted to see, and they will announce time to time the result of the especially nowadays in television and radio we are getting on the spot result what is happening. Newspaper will give evening report or next day morning report. Within a few hours of counting, all the results are cleared, and it became clear as to who will the next government. From the we know the party which party is getting maximum odd or the majority number, that party we are going to make the government. So now with the help of EVM machine, within hours we can come to know which party is leading or which party is going to make the government. Okay, we'll continue in next video.